To start, go to App Store or Google Play Store and download the KitchenAid app. Once the app is installed, open it and then select the sign in or sign up option. Now you will be taken to the sign in app screen. Select the continue with email option. Enter your email that you would like to use with the KitchenAid app. You can use any email of your choice. And then select next. Enter a first name, last name and a phone number and then select next. Now you have to create a password for the KitchenAid app by following the password parameters listed out and then select the next option. Now select the check boxes to agree to the terms of use and acknowledge the privacy notice and then select the next option. At this point, the app will be asking you to validate your email. In order to do that, go to your email account and look for the confirmation instructions from the KitchenAid brand. This email will be coming from noreply@whrcloud.com. In case if you don't see this email in your inbox, please check your spam folder. Now open the email and tap on confirm email address. Once the account is confirmed, go to the KitchenAid app and tap on next. Enter your KitchenAid app password and then select sign in. Tap on allow on the pop-up. At this point, we have created an account in the KitchenAid app and you are now ready to start adding your smart KitchenAid appliances. Now, let's see how to create an account in the KitchenAid app using a social sign-on option. Open the app, select the sign in or sign up option. Now you will be on the sign in app screen where you will be able to see the available social sign-on options. Let's select the continue with Google option. Tap on continue on the pop-up. Now select the Google account that you would like to use to create an account in the KitchenAid app and then select sign up. Select the check boxes to agree to the terms of use and privacy notice and then select next. Tap on allow on the pop-up. At this point, we have successfully created an account in the KitchenAid app using a social sign-on option. In case if you have any questions or concerns while downloading the KitchenAid app or creating an account in it, please reach out to us directly at the number provided on the screen.